What's up, guys? I'll be talking about the currency pair I trade by directional bias on those pair for the week. So I trade gold, Ethereum, GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, and BTC. So I'll be showing the directional bias of all these pair very fast. So for gold, which is the first one, my directional bias for gold for the week is bullish. Why am I bullish? Market created a what? A double break of touch over here. Then it gave me this as my inducement. So if this is my inducement, I'll be looking at taking the PY that's closest to the inducement. And in this scenario, the PY that's closest to our inducement is this breaker block over here. So this breaker block on the 4 hours time frame is the PY that's closest to the inducement. What I'll do is this, I'll just wait patiently for market to come to this zone. And when market comes here, I'll enter the 5 minute time frame, or the 3 minute time frame, or the 15 minute time frame, depending on the volatility of the market at the moment when it comes to this zone. So when market tap this zone, I'll look for something like a break of structure to the upside on that 5 minute time frame, 3 minutes or 15 minutes, inducements and POY that's closest to the entry on the 5 minutes, then this will be my TP1 because you can see there's a valid order block. There's an order block here. So this order block can create the what? A sell, a short sell. So to avoid that, I'll just set my TP1 at this point for a short sell. Then this will be my TP2. And I'm targeting to take out these equal highs because this is an equal high liquidity. So market might probably take that equal highs out while forming a new all-time high on gold. So let's see how it plays out. Um on this gold, right? This buy that happened. I actually saw an entry on this gold though, the 5 minute time frame. But I was thinking of sending the signal to my Telegram, sorry, my YouTube channel. But I told my subscribers, you guys are not even trying. I saw that it's not even up to 100 subscribers, so I just had to leave anything signal and just stay on my own because I see that maybe most of you don't like the trade or something like that. So I did not send anything. I thought the entry was from here. The entry on this gold was, yeah, it was around here, yes. I saw this market structure shift around here. Then I saw this inducement around here. Then there was the entry. The entry was this other block, this particular other block here. Then my stop loss was below this week because I know market will come out and take out this week. So my stop loss was below the week. And I wanted to send it because it took time for market to come to the end trip. So I was thinking of sending it. But I saw the subscribers. You guys have never subscribed to the channel. We are not up to 100 subscribers. So I see no reason why I should send a signal to the channel on that to the YouTube channel. There was an entry yesterday on gold. Sorry, on last week on gold. There was a particular entry here. There was how you get my entry on the lower time frame. You can see it's on the 5 minute time frame that this entry was gotten from. So let's go to the next pair, which is Ethereum. So on Ethereum over here, my bias is bearish. I'm still bearish on Ethereum. So when my bearish on Ethereum, I saw this structure here. There was a break of structure here. There's an inducement here. There's an APY here. So my stop loss is above this high because on the 1 hour time frame, there's an other block. So this other block here, I'm trying to cover this other block over here because market might push to touch this other block so we can be safe. If we are entering from here, can be safe. And I'm bearish on this Ethereum because market tap this zone, this sell zone. Sorry, market tap this sell zone, this breaker block over here. So market has been selling, and there's a trend liquidity over here. And I already know market will sell to take out this liquidity because this is a valid buy zone. And if market can sell from that place to here, they will look for a possible buy to the upside on this other block. But if the market did not hold here, I'll drop a bias on the video if the subscribers increase though. So this is it on Ethereum. To look for a sell to this zone, to look for a buy. And I'm currently waiting for this particular sell entry on Ethereum. Then let's go to the next pair, which is GBP So on GBP let it load. Let it load. I think my network is bad. Yeah, it's up. So on GBP here, my bias is bullish. I'm fully bullish on GBP. If you watch my previous video, I've been bullish on GBP ever since when it was from this point. For those my subscribers that are following the videos, I've been bullish on this point on GBP, and I'm still bullish. Now the question is, why am I bullish ever since till now? There's a trend line liquidity over here from this zone. There's a trend line liquidity over here. So I know the market will come and take out this trend line liquidity. And there's also another trend line liquidity over here, which market has already taken out, which market has taken out already. So since market has taken out the first one, it's going to target the second one, which is this one. So I'm still bullish, all time bullish on GBP USD until market take out this liquidity. And over here, this is a continuation entry on the four hours time frame. Personally, I don't use the 4 hours time frame for entries. I just use it for directional bias. The market give us what, a double break of structure over here on the 4 hours time frame. Then we got our inducement over here, and this breaker block here is closest to the inducement. So now this is how I do get my entry. I told you guys I don't use the higher time frame. And when market tap here, I went to the 5 minute time frame. There on the 5 minute time frame, there was an entry before market close. You can see the market give what, a break of structure to the downside. Okay, the market now give what, a market structure shift, which indicate we're not bullish. I will start looking for buys. This is a single candle inducement. So if I'm taking a buy, this is my inducement, and I'll be looking for the PY that's closest to this inducement, which is this breaker block entry over here. So this is where the buy entry was started from. So when market opens, I'll continue looking for buys in this same direction to the upside. So I'll keep looking for buy. But for this one, my target will be to take out this recent trend line liquidity over here. This recent trend line liquidity, that will be the target. So then I'll continue looking for more buys to the upside, more buys, more buys. So I'm completely bullish on GBP USD. Then let's go to the next pair, which is Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, I'm also bullish. I've been bullish since on Euro USD, starting from here, somewhere around here. I posted it on my channel from the beginning. I was bullish from here, and I'm still bullish on Euro USD. There was a double break of structure here, inducement. So I'm waiting for market to come back to this entry. I'll look for what, structural liquidity PY on the lower time frame to the upside. This is my CP1 on Euro USD. But my overall bias on Euro USD is at this high. Let me show you this high over here on Euro USD. The market has taken out the first trend line liquidity, which was the TP1. Then this is the second trend line liquidity. So my overall bias on Euro USD is this high. So I'll keep looking for more buys until we take out that high from this POY over here on the breaker block POY. So this is my bias on Euro USD. Then on GBP JPY, yeah. GBP JPY, the bias, overall bias is bullish actually. So I had this buy zone ever since. But market now went up, created a sell entry. So I took a sell. My target was to take out the inducement because this is an inducement. And I know market will sell to take out this inducement. So when market take out the inducement, I'm looking for buy from this breaker block because there was a break of structure, a double break of structure, inducement PY for my buy entry to the upside. So I'm patiently waiting for market to come down. I'll look for another buy from here to the upside. So this I do get my lower time frame entries. Let me show you an example using this one. Let me go to the 5 minute time frame. How I got this particular entry. So I actually do not use the higher time frame. I don't use higher time frame. Let me show you what I mean on that particular buy on gold. Sorry, on this particular buy on GBP GPY here. Now, when you use the lower time frame and you tends to get higher, you tends to get like more good entries. See something. There was a market structure shift. I think it's on the 15 minutes this thing happened. I think it occurred on the 15 minutes. Yeah. I think it was on the 15 minutes. Yeah, this is it. So there was a market structure shift here on the 15 minutes. I tell you, I use the 15 minute, 5 minutes, or 3 minutes. Market structure shift inducements at breaker block POY. That's how I got this buy. So if I was to be using the higher time frame, my risk reward will not be this high. But since it's on the lower time frame, it will give you more higher risk reward. So I think I'm done with all the pairs I analyzed. Okay, I've not shown BTC. On BTC, yeah, I'm I'm fully bullish. Sorry, I'm fully bearish on BTC. I have this entry here. I'm currently waiting for it. So if you can sell this trade now, you can just wait for the entry also. So I'm bearish on BTC. And my overall bias is to hit this, to take out this liquidity. So my overall bias is to take out the liquidity here, this one. Then there's a possible buy zone around here on the 4 hours time frame. This is the possible buy zone. So market might probably buy from here to the upside, but which I'm not sure of now. So, but I'm sure of the sales. So I'm looking for more sales on BTC to this zone. Then from this zone, I can look forward for possible buy to the upside on BTC. So you guys should subscribe to the channel. Follow me on TikTok. If it's on TikTok, you're watching a video from, so I can be motivated to post more buyers and more signals. I think this all for now. Bye, guys.